about how, public markets are kind of valuing marketplaces at that stage. So could you maybe share a little bit more on that and kind of help highlight some of the key points there?
So for us, like if next to SaaS, we think marketplaces has created the broadest and deepest range of public companies. And you see that in that $570 billion number, excluding Amazon. So we want to use these public marketplaces to illustrate the point that not all marketplaces are created equal and to show that also there are multiple paths to be successful. And, as an early stage founder, I'd encourage you to think about which path you're pursuing and are there things that you can uh, uh, you can choose early on that will set your business up for success in the longer term. And so with this in mind, we broke up the companies in the analysis across a few different dimensions. And this for us was really thinking about, okay, what do these businesses do? How do they work? What are they providing? And so you've got products and services. Within products, you've got companies that are holding inventory or not holding inventory. Uh, and then you've got light, medium, heavy management, which typically aligns with what the take rate will be, and how much of the process the marketplace owns. Then you've got high, medium, and low frequency. So how often are is the demand side purchasing here? Is it something that's happening multiple times a month? Is it happening, once every few months or once a year? Is it happening once every few years? There are good marketplace examples in each one of those. And then, another that we looked at here was the supply variety as a bug versus a feature. Does the marketplace is the offering that you have a lot of variety, or is it that you're trying to make the variety, more homogeneous, to the extent possible? And then this last part, which we'll talk about a little bit more in terms of the capital intensivity of marketplaces, was this idea that let's look at how capital efficient marketplaces were before their IPO. And did that determine how successful they were going to be post IPO? Because that's really a lot of what's at the crux, in addition to the smaller TAM categories, that's at the crux at why venture investors have pulled back here.